What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. Obviously you guys can see this is backing up. This actually is backing up with sewage. There's a little bit of corn for Ratty, right? But it's coming from this stack here. So we are going to be undoing the clean out there and snaking it out. We're going to be using the K60 today. We're hoping the problem is close. I think what I'd like to do is give a quick shout out to two of my two channel members, Steve and John. Thanks for joining, and hopefully you guys like this video. Alright. Come on. Right there. So we're going to be using the rigid K60, the 7/8 cable. That's the first one. I'm back.
You're back, I know. It was a disaster down here.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, I have to figure it out and do some MacGyver, you know, and put the sump pump in there because
No, you did good.
the vacuum was not controlled. It was so much flow of water.
I was telling, is it Melanie?
Yeah, Melon.
In the future, you got to be very careful because you don't want to have that water going into that drain because that's a storm drain.
Oh, yeah.
So that goes directly to the lake. The city finds out, they can give you big fines.
Yeah.
Because this is sanitary, right? So just giving you a heads up, that's all.
And I know that personally because I used to work for Condrain.
Oh! For who?
Condrain.
Condran.
Yeah, I was the lead head for the water main reverse in the stores.
Really, eh?
180 Union.
Oh, wow.
Get this removed so that way we don't have any crime scene, you know.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
No. You know, no proof, no dead body, you know, hard to blame me, alright?
That's it. Alright. Just hit the blockage. What's that?
That pipe was afraid of you.
Yeah. Let's see if we pull anything out.
You were here in Toronto?
When I got the call, yeah, I was. Where was I? I think I was downtown on the Gardner.
Oh.
And then, because I got another call before this, up 27 in Rexdale. So.
Well, it's not idiot, it's not easy.
No. Well, it's like, I was told a sink. A lot of times we don't get the proper information, right? Because if I would have known that the main was backing up.
No, I thought it was the main and
no, but it's a lot of miscommunication because like you tell probably Basil or.
Yeah, I told Basil and the woman I talked to later.
So then she calls my office, and then my office gives it to another person who gives it to me.
Oh.
So it goes through like 4 different people.
Because I told her to, I said, make sure the plumber bring the big snake, the main drain. Well, good thing you have the thing with you.
Yeah.
That's
Hold on.
$1 million baby.
Theirs are so different from Milan's, huh?
Milan is bigger. Yeah, this is smaller.
Well, his, it comes in 2 things. Our guy's comes, the other old guy came in 1 piece on wheels.
A big one.
So the cables and everything were connected to it? Yeah,
And
so
it's got a handle and a foot pump.
I think this one is better. It's easy to maneuver.
this is a lightweight version of that. Well, no, they're 2 separate things. That's what they call a drum machine. This is a sectional machine. So their cable is 1 continuous cable. We use 15-foot sections. It's just different makes, who makes them and stuff like that, right? But they're both basically the same thing in a sense. Just Rigid and DeWalt or Rigid and Milwaukee, you know what I mean? It's one brand over another. It's whatever you prefer.
Yeah, I sent the PO just so you know.
Does this leak normally?
Huh?
This-
No?
No, it's upside down. Remember I was telling you about the Y connection? This spot here would be a perfect example of that, where the main's backing up. When I pulled this off, anytime they used the water, it was coming out here, right? it was coming up there as well.
Oh, it used to have a pipe. That pipe used to be attached to something. So we found out it was going in that guy's kitchen.
Oh, that's his kitchen?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, so there's a washroom above here and a kitchen.
Let's see. This is the washroom. So this must be the kitchen line. So his line. You could. There you go. If his kitchen ever backs up, and I come here, I want to open up this pipe, just so you know. Okay.
But they snaked here and they stopped coming
Here?
up his kitchen.
I don't.
Same place you snake now.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Really?
Don't ask me, it's weird.
Well, I guess it makes sense because there's no basement here, but it's. That's weird.
No, I use I started using this one. I use the new one in there.
Okay.
You use the not
The laundry room. I think I left it in the laundry room.
There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Dragna. And John and Steve, thanks again, brothers. Cheers.